really quickly, I just want to talk about this blank space that we didn't fill out. I just want to let you guys know that because organometallics are strong nucleophiles, that means that they're also going to be able to react as strong bases. Okay? When you're a strong nucleophile, you can usually react as a strong base, and that means you're good at pulling off what? Protons. Okay, remember that nucleophile is the Lewis definition. That means you're a good electron pair donor. Okay? But when I say base, that's Bronsted-Lowry. What I'm saying is that you're going to be a great proton acceptor. Okay? So, how does that play into things? Why is that important? Because you have to be aware of cross reactions with acidic hydrogens. So let's say that I have an organometallic, Rm, right? Remember that we've been using Rm all day to mean organometallic. And I introduce it to a molecule with an alcohol, okay? And I introduce these to each other. Let's say that I want the organometallic to react at some other part of the molecule, okay? Well, this would be a problem for me, okay? The reason is because, as you guys might remember, the hydrogen on an alcohol is acidic, okay? That's going to be a problem because my R is basic. It has a negative charge. So what you're going to wind up getting is a mechanism where your negative winds up pulling off the H and attaching a negative charge to the O. And what you wind up getting is something that we consider a ruined organometallic, where what you're going to get is an O negative, okay? And then that's going to be attached to, basically it's just going to be RH. So all we did here is we just protonated the R group. And usually we don't want to just protonate the R group. We want it to react with something else, like an electrophile. So this would be a really bad idea. Bad, sad face, okay? Because I don't want just to get a negative charge and a protonated R. What I'd prefer to get is to react with an electrophile, okay? E+, okay? So all I'm trying to say here is that you have to be very careful about alcohols, water, in particular, and then obviously like carboxylic acid, stuff like that. All of these things you have to be very careful about because they have acidic hydrogens that can ruin, that can mess up your organometallic, and this is what we consider ruined. Okay, even in your book, it's going to talk about how you can ruin an organometallic by introducing it to one of those three things, or just some kind of acidic proton, some kind of proton that has a plus charge. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to go over that really quick. Let's move on to the next topic.